What's up, Forex fam? It's your boy, Forex is my son, and I'm back with another video. And on this video, we'll be breaking down the pair Canadian dollar Swiss or CAD CHF. Okay, so without much further ado, let's get right into it. So as always, we take it from the top. We looking for a trend to give us sentiment of where the market is headed long term, but more importantly, we are trading what? The current open monthly candle. Okay. What makes up trend is candles. So you trade the candle. If the candle is big, you trade inside of the candle, right? So the current monthly candle is right here, right? This green candle right here. Whether you know it or not, that candle is still open. It is just the weekend. The weekend closes the forex market, but guess what? That monthly candle is still open. The only thing that's going to open up new is the new weekly candle on Sunday at 4 p.m. And the new daily candle, right? You don't want to trade past those because now you're getting into what candles that open up more frequently. Remember, if it's the time frame that opens up more frequently, outside of the monthly, weekly, and daily, that only opens up one time. The candle is only one candle per time frame. Outside of that, you are putting your money at more of a risk. Okay, way more of a risk. The lower the time frame, the higher the risk. Okay, basically is what I'm saying. So, as we can see, we see the trend that's forming on the monthly that it gives us is this right here, right? If I was to take it, if you look at the top left corner, you can kind of see the zoom in on where I'm putting the trend line, right? But I'm gonna fix it, right? I'm just doing that to show you all. Okay, so the yellow line is where the current monthly candle is open, but trend is boss in forex, so I look for the trend. Okay, it's kind of hard to put it on there right now, but where the yellow line is that's where the current monthly candle is open, right? And it looks to be a buy. Now, if I want to get in at a buy, right, I say, hey, to myself, this is a buy. Okay, so what I would do is I'll wait until the weekly candle open. Why? Because it only opens up one time. I'll wait till the daily candle open up. Why? Because it only opens up one time. Okay, outside of that, you're putting your money at way more of a risk. But I'm also looking for a trend within the monthly candle and the monthly candle itself, right? So I will wait till the weekly candle open. I'll wait till the daily candle open. And as you can see with this trend, guys, look at this. It's always going to reveal itself. There's a trend. Hold on, let me pull this in more so it can stretch how I want it to stretch, y'all. See this? See this? This is a trend. I like to call these, the points that make up a trend, islands. You see? Island. This is where you're going to get your best entry points is your islands, right? This is where you're going to get your best entry points is your islands. If you can't get in on a daily island, then you will get in at your most recent daily candle. Because let's say, for instance, it's right here, right? But the most recent daily island is right here. The only way you'll be able to get an efficient entry is your most recent daily, which is still feasible because it only opens up one time. But you also gotta pay attention on the daily candle that close, right? And as we see, this daily candle has green, but it also has a big wick on the upside, which indicates sell pressure for the next daily candle. Okay. So this definitely looks to be a buy. What I would do is I'll wait until the weekly open, wait until the daily open, right? And let it retrace. Let this red get all the way down because it's going to get past here. Whenever you see a block like this in Forex, this right here is just indicating that later on is going to come down lower and break this. This usually when you're talking about trends, you want wicks. You want long, you want wicks, pointy wicks. When you see this on the bottom of a candle or whatnot, it's definitely coming back down to break it. Okay. This red is going to come back down and it's going to get back on the trend. That's why I say you'll wait until the daily open. You'll wait until the weekly open, let it retrace, and get the best entry possible that you can find. So I will look for a buy on Canadian dollar Swiss. Okay. Yes, there's always a possibility that it can break out and fall much lower. And that's why, you always got to have your stop loss. You want to manipulate the stop loss. And how do you manipulate the stop loss? Well, you have to try to get in at, like how they say that old saying, right? You buy low and you sell high. Okay. When you do it that way, you put yourself at less of a risk. So even if it does hit your stop loss, you don't really lose hardly anything. Literally, it's like having let's say you had $10,000, right? And you put in this trade or whatnot, man, you probably only lose like maybe like 50, $60 if you trade in a huge lot, like a one lot or something like that. So you always want to be efficient with your entry because it's pretty much the foundation of the whole strategy. You see what I'm saying? Because I don't care how great your strategy may be. If your entry is bad, you're gonna lose, man. You're gonna lose every time. The entry, you always want to enter where you always want to enter near the daily island, the points that make up a trend, or most recent daily candle if you can't get it at a great pip range. Okay, so that is my breakdown of Canadian dollar Swiss. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. I will be making videos on like certain topics, like why you should use a stop loss, how you should use it and manipulate it. You know, why to only buy. I mean, why to only use certain time frames to enter it, and all of that good stuff, right? Be bringing a lot of free content to y'all, a lot of great knowledge from a forex perspective, things you never heard of before. I've been doing this for 9 years, So, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and if you found this information helpful, please donate if you want. I'll see you in the next one. It's Forrest is my son. I'll holler at you.